Okay, here we go.
Before I met you, love was just a bunch of nonsense. Just another mystery.
Okay, I'm just getting a feel for it.
Was living without it so long that it didn't even feel wrong. Before I met you, love was just another concept.
The controls are different, the arm button is different.
But this fool found somehow the moment I held you close. Now I know no one could ever explain this. No words to it justice. Oh, but I'm sure gonna try. Oh, it's wild, can't tame it. It's safe, but it's dangerous. Only you can bring these words to life. You are my living, breathing love divine. People say you're pretty good at conversation. I got a way of over-articulating. But when you first looked my way, I forgot my own name. Stuttering, stumbling, falling apart. Feels like I lost my mind, but found my heart. It's like I'm dreaming while
The difficulty I've had with this drone was first getting the batteries. The batteries from AliExpress took weeks to come. And then when I got them, I didn't have a charger that worked for them, so I tried to order one. And when it came, it still wasn't the right battery charger for these 3S batteries. So then I didn't want to wait for another delivery, so I went to the hobby store and I bought a cheap little balance charger. Okay, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Now this one hasn't been bashed like my Whoopee, my Firefly. That thing's been bashed, and I even feel like I have to use too much throttle on it just to keep it up in the air. This feels pretty good. I have 2 more batteries coming, but like I said, it takes weeks to get them. I guess I could order them from Amazon. They're still dated on Amazon to come a lot later. But I think they would come faster than from China. They might even, if I'm buying them on Amazon, be coming from China. I'm gonna try to fly low here for a minute. There goes the ducks right over us. So I was armed for 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Average throttle 30, that's about what it seemed like to me. I wonder how long I recorded for. It's not showing flight time. Okay. I got one more battery. Look, it's right on my feet though. That's pretty good. See how warm it is. Battery's not warm. The PTX is not very warm. Look back and see how long the flight was, but that felt pretty good.